So today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's start. Then tell me please, what's your name?
My name is Nhật Phương.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
How are you today?
I'm good.
That's wonderful. Tell me please, where do you go?
I go to the school. I go home. I go to the zoo. I go to the park. I go to the pig. I go to the market.
Yes, what is it and what color is it?
The bird is yellow. The car is red. The band is blue. The bird is yellow. The chair is black. The hat is orange. The pen is pink. The house is yellow.
Yes, what do you like?
I like apple. I like banana. I like orange. I like strawberry. I like watermelon.
What don't you like?
I don't like avocado. I don't like coconut. I don't like pear. I don't like cherry.
Yes. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.